Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Guava Mojito. Super refreshing cocktail. We only need a few minutes to make it. The perfect cocktail for this weather. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need rum. I'm using Bacardi, guava nectar, club soda, fresh limes, and some mint. Alright, I'm going to start by adding 4 lime wedges into a mixing glass. Next, I'm going to add about 8 mint leaves. Now we're going to muddle it. Now I'm going to add ice. 2 ounces of Bacardi. Two and a half ounces of guava nectar. Alright, time to shake it. Now I'm just going to pour it into my glass. And finally, I'm just going to top it out with club soda. Just going to give this a quick mix. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give it a try. But right away I can tell you this is so refreshing, not too sweet. I think it's perfectly balanced. I can definitely taste some of the mint and the guava. I'll give it 9 out of 10. And that's how you make the Guava Mojito. Alright, if you guys liked the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!